on. You drove us miners out of our homes, out of the homes that the company owned, into the tents in Little Ludlow. We were worried band about our children, state troopers guarding the national lines. Every once in a while a bullet would fly and kick up gravel around our feet. We were so afraid they'd kill our children. We dug a hole that was 10 foot deep, and we brought the children and the pregnant woman down inside the hole to sleep. It was late that night, you soldiers